Tax evasion through the use of tax havens is one of the ways through which the Kenya Revenue Authority is losing out in the battle to seal tax loopholes. KRA's target for the current financial year is 1.4 trillion shillings, a factor which accelerates the need to broaden the country's tax base.
We will no longer have tax havens, and tax jurisdictions are signing what are called multilateral tax information exchange agreements. In the near future, we'll be able to get that information of those investments, those people having their bank accounts overseas, and they are not declaring in their home countries.
To further widen its tax base, KRA is targeting to collect rental income from landlords at a flat rate of 10%, with an upper limit set of 10 million shillings and a lower limit of 12,000 shillings.
This has been with us now for over 1 year, 2015 Finance Act. The amnesty was put in place to allow those landlords who have been fearing to get into the bracket, to the tax net, without being surcharged penalties and interest. And there's been good response, and we expect people to still to come on board. And as usual, the Kenyans, there were even requests that we have an extension, which I believe is not proper.
The devolved system of governance has resulted in more liquidity in the grassroots, as counties enjoy some measure of autonomy in spending part of the national cake. However, KRA has noted that those doing trade with county governments are not remitting taxes. In this respect, KRA is seeking to have the commissioner given powers to appoint a person to withhold 6% of the taxable value on purchasing taxable supplies at the time of paying for the supplies and remit the same directly to the commissioner.
47 countries, we have got suppliers. Majority of them are not in the tax bracket. Being innovative and strategic requires that tax policies be introduced so that government departments, ministries, agencies, and other appointed agents operate the withholding VAT regime.
KRA has also signaled its intention to overhaul the Income Tax Act with the tax incentives framework as well as tax exemptions on organizations handling philanthropy among the key areas it is looking at. Alex Mwangi, NTV Business.